Insite Asset Management for Vermeer here October 1st at the IQ show. And today we are demoing the Insite interface, which is a web-based portal system where our users and dealers can access information from the machines, GPS tracking, maintenance, fault codes, and diagnostics, for example. And so if we go to the home page of the Insite screen, we can see here we can identify favorite assets, favorite job sites. So identifying those job foremen or types of assets that they want to identify, such as rental fleets or leased machines. We have an area also to make announcements to the users and also recent alerts without having to drill through all the different screens. They can quickly get to information that they need on a daily basis. So here at the IQ show, we are demoing several machines here live today. So these are being seen on the internet. So our D220, D220-24, D36 and 36DR, and our D60x90 are actually running here at the show. You can see live data. We can also change the map to a satellite view. Here we can actually see the Kentucky Exposition Center here on the map, and our machine's located on site. So when the key benefit here is when a dealer or a fleet manager or a single machine owner wants to find their piece of equipment, they can easily then snap to that piece of equipment with the location system and GPS and be able to communicate and find out where it is on the world. So then from here, we can pick one machine. We can go into that machine. And here we have what I like to call the tabs area. We have summary, positions, engine, alerts, maintenance, and faults for the piece of equipment. What's unique about the Vermeer Insite Asset Management System is that we preload many of the aspects for that user already. They don't have to go in and set up maintenance schedules. We take our service manuals and we download into that model on the interface its service plan maintenance codes and intervals for them. So then one of those unique aspects is if we click on the maintenance, we can then see here on this D24x40 HDD navigator drill that we have the maintenance manual aspects pre-programmed into the system for the user when they first buy that machine installed with Insite Asset Management. So for example, here we have the 500-hour hydraulic filter service. We can go over to that in the details. Click on this to see what is involved with this type of maintenance. And here we see it's replacing hydraulic filters. See the maintenance model for instructions. Here we have it performed at 500 hours. However, we can have alerts set up. This is something kind of unique to Vermeer. We can alert the user via email or with text messaging in advance at 490 hours, for example, a predetermined by their settings amount of time, so that they know that this machine is coming up next, and they can then schedule that machine without having to worry or wonder, how many hours do I have in this machine that's located so many miles from our job site, or which one do I need to go visit first, which ones do I need to bring back to the shop. Here it's pre-planned and scheduled automatically. They don't have to undertake any other events than setting up the notification initially when they get the machine. And it'll take care of that for as long as many types of alerts that they've set up on their own. So on here, the final screen here is our fault codes. You see here, we can look at the faults that are taking place. So here we have set up an engine coolant low level indicator. So looking at this, the dealer and the back office of the owner can actually look at the screen and say, I've got an issue. It's not critical yet, but it'd be great to take advantage of this right now before it goes critical. So this remote diagnostics, looking at it on the web page, either with a computer, a laptop, iPad, or iPhone, or smartphones, they can then diagnose problems before they go out to the field, before they order parts, and get the right service, the right technician, and the right solution the first time. Right now, because we're rolling it out for the first time here at the IQ show on October 1st, it is available only on new machines. And those machines will be rolling out here 4th quarter 2013 and 1st quarter 2014. We are planning for the future to have an aftermarket type of kit, or retroactive kit if you will, and be able to service those older machines, older serial numbers in the field as well.